What's up guys, welcome to my channel. In this video today, I'll be giving you a quick tutorial of MobaXterm. In short, MobaXterm is an application that you can use to SSH or remote into servers. It has enhanced terminals for Windows X11 servers, Tab SSH client, network tools, and much more. So to get started, you want to go to MobaXterm.mobatech.net. The link will be in the description of this video. Once you're there, you just want to select Get MobaXterm now. Download the free edition. Here I'm just going to grab the portable edition. So I'm just going to download it with my download manager, open folder, and then I'm just going to extract it. So once you have installed or extract the portable version, you can open the client. Now I'm going to use it to launch a PuTTY session to one of my servers that is running in a virtual box. So I'm going to bring up my virtual box and I have several servers running. So I'm going to be testing the connection with one of these servers here. So here I have a server running in my Oracle virtual. So I'm going to be using the MobaXterm application to SSH to this server. So let me minimize this. So to connect a session, let me maximize. You're going to select sessions and then you're going to choose the type of session that you want. So I'm going to do SSH, specify the host name, specify the username, and then you'll specify the port which is typically 22. Select OK, accept, and then here you just specify the password to connect. Select yes if you want to save the password. So before you can save the password, you need to set a master password for MobaXterm. So that is what it's doing here. Now for the prompt for the master password, I'm going to be using only new Windows account or new computer. So I'm going to select OK. And here you can see that I can access my... So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.